Hey guys, welcome to another great review right here on the Floaty channel. Today we're going to be looking at another wireless tattoo machine on Amazon. Yes, you can get these on Amazon, and this one's under $200. If you're on a budget, this is the way to go. Let's see if it's any good though, right here, right now. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's see what's in the hidden box. The hidden is designed by the Finemie company. It's the best for tattoo artists. Finemie hidden. We got a nice cable here. This is the silicone cable. Let's check it out. All right, small cable here and USB to USB-C. Oh, sweet. I got some color this time. It looks like an aquamarine. Ooh, I like it. I just like the color right now. I'm digging it. And another very cool thing about the hidden is that it is at a 4mm stroke length. That is a little bit longer than the normal pen style machines that I found on Amazon so far. So I wanted to give it a try for that reason. It might be really good for lining with that harder hit. So we're gonna check that out as well. Let's see how the battery operates on here. First of all, is it a magnet? Yes. Very cool. So we have the magnetic attachment. Oh, neat. It's kind of different in that it does have this indentation around the battery side here where it connects to the motor, kind of overlapping a bit more than what I have seen typically in the past on these. That I think is good for cross-contamination prevention. It's probably better just to make a good seal, and I feel like it hides something, and maybe that's why we have this term hidden. But anyway, it's cool. Maybe that's one of the features that gave it its name. Let's see if you can cord this thing too. It does come with a cord, so I guess you would just attach that in there. And now you have a corded machine. That's kind of neat. I've never seen that before. So unique points, guys. Unique points for the hidden. So pretty cool. It's got a lot of versatility there. Let's also check out this battery a little closer. So again, yeah, it's got this great seal. And let's look at the screen here. Pretty nice big numbers there. As you can see, it also has a tiny battery at 82%. That's nice. It gives the percentiles rather than just showing a graphic. It's at 8 volts right now. Let's turn it on. Actually, let's go ahead and put a needle in it first. No, 3 round liner. Fits right in there, and let's give it a whirl. Yeah, I like the needle depth turn switch here. It's got a nice click feedback, so I know that it's actually turning. I know that's silly, but sometimes once you have the bandage on here and some of that vibration is diminished, some of your feedback is diminished if you don't have that clickiness. So it does have a tactile, nice tactile needle depth. Let's see if it has the 0.1 increments as well. I'm just going to show you the screen here. Here we go. Yep, 0.1 increments. Going to 12 volts max. 4 to 12 volts, cool. Again, one of the cool things about this machine is the 4mm stroke length, so I'm really excited to try that out on some silicone. I have a feeling this hidden is going to be really great for lining, so let's give this thing a try. Enough playing around, let's test her out. All right, I got my hidden all wrapped up here, and used a blue wrap to match the nice color that I have going here. I'm digging the way it looks. I should mention that the weight is very reasonable on the hidden. It's not a heavy machine. It's also not too light, I think, but we're gonna find out here. It's weighted still with the wrap on it to be more at the tip, which I do like. So the battery's not super heavy. All right, let's actually put on a 9 liner here. I want to just do the outline of this fun little design I found online. Let me start it up at a 6 volt. Definitely minimal vibration. 6.2. Cool, so at a 6.2 volt, it's getting in just fine with a 9 round liner. That is very cool. I'm actually gonna go down to, I was at 6.2, I'm gonna go down to 6.0 volts. And there it is, getting in nicely at a 6 volt. There's a lot of power to this machine. I could cut right through the silicone. It is not the thickest piece of silicone, but I could definitely cut right through it if I'm not careful. It's actually probably a great method for teaching you how not to go too deep. I'm at a 6 volt here. I've got the 3 round liner in now. I'll put some lighter lines in here. Even though 3 round liner is generally lighter work, you still want that needle getting in there well. All right, looks like the 3 is getting in there pretty well. I think I could probably move a little faster here. This heart shape at the top for whatever reason. Just doing the lining. I mean, it's definitely penetrating well with this 3. I almost think moving faster with this one might be easier too. I'm just gonna do something different here. I just want to see how fast I can line here. That was at a 6.5 volt. Yeah, it's getting in there. So you can move pretty fast with this machine, which is a lot better than most of the machines I've tried in this price range. So I think that's probably a big plus for hidden. seems to be stipple shading very well. Just trying to get the it's 5.1 volts. It's a pretty strong motor on this thing. It looks like you can get to that area of voltage that you need to be for stipple shading to look like stipple shading and less like lines, so that is good. It's going to be a pretty low voltage. So higher voltages here and slightly lower here. All right, so beautiful stipple shading, beautiful lining. Let's see how the mag works on it. All right, we've got this 11 mag in a 12 gauge. I'm gonna try it out here on the hidden. Let's take a look here. Where should we go? Let's start packing in some black here at 5 volts. Holy crap. Whoa. I like want to try this on people. Doesn't seem like a bad machine at all. It actually seems really strong. Okay, there's just one pass. Wow, it's already so black, just that single pass. Impressive. Turns out that Finemie made a hidden gem. That's why they called it hidden. This thing's definitely worth your money, I would say. This one's right up there with some of my favorites. I think that 4mm stroke length really helps if you're doing heavy work. So if you're doing black work or heavy lining, this machine is definitely going to be a great start to that if you're on a budget. Heck, even if you just want a great addition to your arsenal, I would say this one is probably a good choice. Look how black that is. Ah, so good. Okay guys, that is the end of my doodle and the end of this demo with the hidden wireless tattoo machine made by Finemie. This thing can line, it can pack, it can shade, it can stipple shade, and it can do gray shading. This thing packs a punch with its 4mm stroke, and it's got a unique battery system that is so versatile you can actually also take it off and cord the machine. If you want to get yours with a 10% discount from yours truly, don't forget to follow the link in the description below and use the code that's listed there. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe because I'm going to do more of these and you want discounts and you want to see me. Okay, bye-bye now. Thank you. Bye.